question that is from Mansi, and she's saying, if you are living with a family that you can't share your heart with, and you don't have anyone around, like a friend or something, to share your things with, so how should people my age? I think she's from a picture, she's looking like around 16, 17 or 18 maybe. How do they, my age, deal with this? How do people of my age deal with this?
Parents and relatives are someone which are gifted to us by birth.
Yeah.
Friends are something that we can uh, find in our lives.
Yeah, from what she's saying, it seems that she's probably not having friends either right now. So she
That is
doesn't have anybody to share her heart with.
maybe that is some area that she should be looking forward to, that she develop a better friend circle, a better way to handle her social support network, because the
So
less
is
number of friends there are, the more possibility of stress taking toll on your coping strategies would be.
Sure. I'm just adding to a question, like from my mind, is that, maybe sometimes your friends go abroad, sometimes your friends are, your best friends are there, and it's not something that you can just fake. It comes naturally, and your bond doesn't happen very quickly. And when you're going through emotional problems, you don't want to start, new friendships with strangers. Maybe I don't know. And is there any way to help people cope better with their own environment, and in the, you can't change your environment, but is there a way that
So
you can?
that is where I think that the role of these adjunct therapies come in. So these
Yeah.
kind of art therapies, having a group involvement into maybe yoga or relaxation exercises group, is a very wonderful initiative by Nikita and yourself. And I am wholeheartedly there for you. And I would suggest all the viewers there to spread the knowledge and understanding that art therapy and such kind of holistic approaches are meant for a more better well-being states, which
Yeah.
just simply following traditional approaches might not occur. So
Yeah, addressing the root
much
cause,
better there.
also, yeah, yoga, ayurveda, and all those things. Sure, thank you so much.
I thank
Sorry.
you, Gita, as well as Sangeeta ji, along with the whole team of Heal Thy Ram for this wonderful initiative. I wish this wonderful initiative goes to a larger audience so that a larger mass can benefit by this approach.
Thank you
Thank,
so much.
thank you.
We indeed feel very blessed to receive this heartwarming support and guidance from Dr. Rohit.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.